Spec's factory table brings an upscale industrial design to your spaces. The robust steel frame gives factory maximum durability and functionality in your high-traffic spaces. The frame ships disassembled and knocked down for easy installation, where other large-scale tables may be hard to squeeze into tight spaces. Spec's factory table is available in sitting, counter, and standing heights, and 48, 72, 84, and 96-inch lengths. Factory is available on industrial casters, allowing you to reconfigure your space with ease without compromising its durability. Add optional footrests, particularly popular in standing heights for more comfortable standing meetings. As always, you can make Factory your own, with 76 different frame colors for you to choose from. The top is available in any laminate or optional veneer and solid wood tops, either self-edge or 2mm edge profiles. Add power to your collaborative spaces and conceal cables with magnetic wire managers. It can easily be moved and attached to any location on the base using a magnetic clip, no tools required. With Factory, you will quickly see why it has become a designer favorite. For more information, reach out to your local Spec representative or visit specfurniture.com.